Is it recording now?
Now it is. If you just hit record, even from off, it'll start recording.
I think I turned that off.
Oh, okay.
So that it saves battery.
Why would it save battery?
Because it has to, I feel it. See, I'm not actually certain about this, but I get the feeling that it has to have like some part of it still listening for that button click.
Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
I mean, you could argue that it has to do that for turning on as well, but I'm assuming the turning on bit is sort of a more permanent turn off if you don't have the other one listening.
No, I got what you're saying. You're right. Probably should have started recording after I adjusted my boots.
Da 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 da.
Alright.
Me first?
Sure.
Ugh. Watch me fall instantly. I can't turn that much. Still recording.
Pretty good up until the end.
Is mine still recording?
Yeah.
Sick. Oh baby, I'm going hard. Oh shit. Woo! Oh. Well done, sir.
That's pretty good.
I feel so in control. Da, 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 da. Let's go. Whoa. We're going up the side. Never mind, I don't have enough momentum. Still recording.